Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware. Use the original Xiaomi fast charger and a good USB-C cable, because only certified chargers negotiate quick charge. Once done, make sure battery saver is off and the charging port is clean so the phone can accept higher current. Then plug the charger into a wall outlet first and connect the cable to the phone. This begins the handshake process. Make sure you keep the screen on briefly to watch for the fast charging indicator before moving to settings. Now go into settings, tap battery and performance, and then more battery settings. This is where the fast charging toggle lives on Redmi devices. Toggle fast charging on so the OS allows higher voltage/current. This is the why. Without the software consent, the charger will default to slow rates. If you see Xiaomi adaptive options, prefer the plain fast charging switch. Once enabled, make sure to reboot the phone if the option was hidden. Then reconnect your certified charger to confirm the phone shows the fast charge status. Finish by verifying the indicator. The lock screen or status bar should say fast charging or show a quicker % gain. That proves success. If you don't see it, unplug, try the same original charger with a different certified cable, then try a different known fast charger to isolate the fault. If none work, update MIUI, inspect the USB-C port for lint, and check battery health. One key troubleshooting tip: always test using the original charger and cable first, because third-party
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.